Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme GT 2 Pro, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down a little bit to find notifications and status bar. Now let's tap on status bar here, and as you can see here we've got the option battery percentage, and depending on what kind of battery style you will have, you will be able to either pick where you want to show the battery percentage. So as you can see, you can do not show it, of course, just like now, or you can show it outside the battery icon or inside the battery icon. But if you will have totally another style than the horizontal, because as you can see we've got 4 different options from which we can choose. So for example, if you will have the loop option, the battery percentage option will look like here, so you will not be able to pick where you want to show it. It will be displayed next to the battery icon. So as you can see here we've got the percentage, but as I said, if you will have the horizontal option applied, you will be able to pick something from those options. So let me pick, for example, inside the battery icon, and as you can see it will be immediately displayed, of course, inside the battery icon. So actually this is it. This is how to show battery percentage on the status bar in your Realme GT 2 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.